Getting ready for work, I absolutely don't want to go. I mean, I like my job, but I don't want to stand on my feet for 8 hours, which is such a first world problem, but it's not fun. Luckily, it is my last day before I go on vacation, so I can get through it. It's just 1 to 9, and I hate closing. I'm an opener till the day I die. I'd rather just get that shit over with because I feel like you can't do anything the whole day. I'm finally almost done with all the training videos. Yesterday, I was on the floor for like most of the day, and I even worked by myself. So, girl's killing it over here. I feel like I'm finally like learning things. I haven't had a rude customer to me yet. I've kind of witnessed one, but luckily I haven't had any Karens, and I don't know what I'm gonna do when that day comes because my patience is so little. Actually, I kind of don't care. If you're just gonna be a bitch, I'm not really gonna help you that much. On the bright side, I do like all the people I work with. They're all super cool and chill, so thank God. One thing I wasn't really prepared for was all the Sephora 10-year-olds. I know we like make fun of them on this app, but they are real, and they're all interested in skincare and not makeup. I saw an 8-year-old looking at retinols. Get some sun damage first, girl. And every day someone asks when we're restocking the Summer Fridays lip balms, and I'm like, girl, I don't know. And when we do, they're going to be gone in 0.5 seconds because you go feral for them. Same with Sol de Janeiro body mists. That's like, I check out at least 10 of them a day minimum. So, I mean, whatever. I don't really care. But they just make the store like messy. I get my hair done tomorrow though, so these roots, they look a lot worse in person, I promise. Will finally be fixed, and I'll have a blowout for like 12 hours because I have a photo shoot after that, and he wants to do like a wet hair look, so the blowout's gonna be over. Wish I was getting my lashes done because we're kind of at like the stringy leftover phase, but I get those done Friday and I can't move it, so just gotta deal with it. I don't even know why I'm like complaining so much. I'm not even in a bad mood. That's just life, I guess. I do leave for vacation Friday though, and it's going to be the best week of my life, I can already tell. My mom sent us an itinerary, and we're going to like this 8-hour tour where we like hike something, and then we go in a mud bath and some other stuff. Then we're going to chocolate factory, horse walking on the beach. So it's kind of hard to stay in a bad mindset when you know that's coming. I kind of hate how my makeup's turning out. I think it's because my hair and my lashes, and I want to do full glam, but I know if I do, I won't like it, so I'm just kind of at like I don't know what to do. Hopefully when I do my lip liner, it'll solve all my problems, because it usually does. I mean, yeah, it kind of helped. I think the problem is I set my under eyes too dark, and that's why I always use loose powder, not pressed, because I feel like it just takes away all the brightness. But we're too far in now. I just should have done full glam. I think I would have been a lot happier with myself if I did, but ugly it is. None of them know about my TikTok, and I'm never telling them. That's embarrassing for me. Even people in real life will be like, I watch your TikToks, I love them. And I like cringe at myself because I'm like, oh, people you know are perceiving you. Cool. Okay, wait, bottom mascara like really helped. I don't look as dead anymore. Okay, kind of cute. Now I'm gonna make ramen and binge watch like Salt Lake City Housewives before I go to work, because that's what makes me happy in life. So thanks for watching me complain.